Altcoin holders and investors all around the world have been wondering the same exact question. When is this altcoin boom gonna happen? When are these altcoins going to absolutely explode like that everybody has been saying? Is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? I'm going to tell you in today's video exactly when it's going to happen. In fact, the huge clue is right in front of our noses, right on this chart right here. I'm about to break it down because if you know very little about the chart or you've been studying it 10 to 20 years, you're going to love what I'm about to show you because it's so simple yet so powerful, and it's going to tell you exactly what to look for, because when this thing happens, altcoins are not going to explode a little bit. It's going to be a major explosion, something that altcoins haven't seen yet in this market cycle. There's one thing and one thing only standing in the way from you dancing up and down, looking at your altcoin portfolio while it's exploding. There's one thing standing in the way of that, and I'm about to tell you exactly what to look for in the chart in a simple and easy way to know when that explosion is going to happen. Because if it does, it is going to be massive, and there's going to be a lot of money on the table for you to pick up. So let's jump in. Breaking new VIP bonus video. Solana is setting up for a massive move, and it's gonna shake up Bitcoin too. I'm revealing which one I'd buy right now and which one I'd sell. I just broke all of that down, but not on YouTube. Click below and instantly unlock this VIP bonus video for free. Go now, or it could be too late. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Here we are. We are on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. In other words, this chart that we're looking at right here on the monthly time frame is all of the altcoins on planet Earth in one chart. It's all of the altcoins without Bitcoin, just the altcoins. So we can study this data, look for trends, and something right away pops out and captivates the mind. This level right here, this white line. We're going to talk about that in a second, because as we speak, we are battling that exact line. More on that in a moment. What we also have on our screen is the stochastic RSI. I do want to jump into this a moment because something very important is happening there. Also, bottom of our screen, the RSI, overbought and oversold. As we stand right now, we're looking at some critical market structure, right? We are right now in the RSI below where we want to be. Keep in mind, we had a recent swing high in March 2024, and we need to take out that swing high in 2025. And we want to take it out on our way to the market cycle top of all altcoins. In other words, what you can see down here, back in the days of 2019, we had in January 2019, our bottom number 1 and our bottom number 2 in December 19. You can see from January, February to the end of the year, that 2019 year, we had our double bottoms in altcoins. In other words, if you had bought altcoins back here in December 19, that was the optimal time. Just like we had our first bottom here, and then our technical bottom here, and then we broke market structure here, and then we've rallied to this point so far in our market structure. Keep in mind, market structure is everything. And what we're looking at right now is this sort of pivot low that we saw in August 24. We cannot take that one out, right? That August 24 in the altcoin market is at about 52 on the monthly scale. That 52 coincides with key market structure from our prior bottoms. We do not want to have a lower low than that. And we do want a higher high, higher than this 70. That's the area we're looking at with the RSI. And what will help us is the stochastic RSI. When you look at the stochastic RSI, you essentially want to buy or enter long positions in altcoins when we have a cross up. Once again, January 2019, when altcoin markets were at their low, at their lowest low, at the bottom of the market. That's when you want to enter altcoins, right? And you would like to enter again when we're at our double bottom, right? Which you can clearly see in the RSI with the stochastic RSI, it's represented right here, right? You could see further evidence in 2021 to 2022 when we had that bottom of the market transition and we finally had a cross up here and we were on the way to our all-time high in the altcoin world. So what we have in our hands is with this recent swing high of 2021, we entered into a bull flag, not a textbook bull flag, but a bull flag formation similar to that of 2018. And with that break, it was a slow break until we breached critical market structure. And once we breached critical market structure and held critical market structure as support, that is when the altcoin boom happened. It happened at exactly this candle right here. We're going to go ahead and throw a circle on that candle because that's the candle we're looking for. A breach of market structure holding as support. That is when things explode, and they explode quickly, right? What you look at is during that period, we had broken above key structure in the RSI, and our stochastic RSI was well above where we wanted it to be. In other words, we had a lot of momentum. We were breaching structure to the upside in a positive manner, showing real signs of strength. What we have as a point of concern is where this is lining up currently for the stochastic RSI on the month. We want to continue to see this blue line on top. We do not want our blue line in the stochastic RSI to cross below the orange. That will tell us that we are losing momentum. We don't want to be losing our momentum, and we still have a lot of time before this closes, right? This will close at the end of February. We've got time, but what we want to see is a reversal here. Now back to what everybody wants to know. This is the moment you have been waiting for. If you're in the altcoin space, you've been waiting. Hey, when are these things going to explode? Now, what I will say before we get into these facts is that every single market cycle, everybody has this perception of, oh my God, altcoins are going to 10x and 20x and 50x and 100x. And that's just BS. Those are pipe dreams. I'm not here to feed you pipe dreams. I'm here to feed you breaking new VIP bonus video. Solana is setting up for a massive move, and it's going to shake up Bitcoin too. I'm revealing which one I'd buy right now and which one I'd sell. I just broke all of that down, but not on YouTube. Click below and instantly unlock this VIP bonus video for free. Go now, or it could be too late. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. One thing I want you to do is take a dose of reality. If you're in the crypto space, you're already thinking outside of the box. But if you're looking to go all in on altcoins and it's kind of like playing the lottery. If you really believe that you're going to get rich playing the lottery, you're delusional. The lottery is luck. If you're thinking you're going to use luck to suddenly get rich in crypto by investing in some random altcoins, you're also delusional. What you want to do is take strategic bets based on pure bona fide facts, and you want to minimize risk and you want to maximize reward. If you personally do not know what the strategy is step by step to do that as a disciplined trader, if you haven't done that for 5 to 10 years on your own with proven results to feed you and your family easily on trading, then you're not ready. Plain and simple. Let's be honest with each other. Don't go looking for a lottery ticket. Nobody gets rich that way. It's all a dream. A pipe dream. What I want you to do instead is use a strategy that I'm about to tell you. If you are an altcoin lover and you have a balanced portfolio, which may be rare, I feel like a lot of you may be having a very unbalanced portfolio. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're heavily invested into coins that are outside of the top 10, you have an unbalanced portfolio. If you have all altcoins and no Bitcoin or Ethereum, you have an unbalanced portfolio. If you have 95% Ethereum and only 5% Bitcoin and nothing else, you have an unbalanced portfolio. What does that mean? That means you're set up to fail, right? You're not adequately looking at the market and making strategic plays based on math. You're just guessing. Now, what we have on our hands is this white line here, right? This white line represents key market structure. We also have this yellow line here, which represents key market structure for this swing high back in March 24 that is currently operating as our market structure. In other words, we are right here in the altcoin space. We are holding critical market structure like a Lego right on top of the prior market structure resistance. To put it simply, we have fascinatingly strong market structure right now for the altcoin space. The only thing standing in our way is this white line. This white line represents our ultimate market structure. It represents the top of the swing high of May 2021, when we were at one of our peaks of the altcoin space, followed by that further top, double top, or potentially slightly swing high of the all-time high of the altcoin space many months later. This has built our market structure. We've had one candle and one candle only hold a support at that market structure. That was quite literally our market cycle top for altcoins, is the only candle that held support at this white level. Now, for our sake, we had our textbook double bottom in the altcoin space. June 2022, bottom one. Right here, December 2022, bottom two. We had our textbook double bottom, and then we moved into phase one. Then we moved into phase two. Phase two took it to the yellow line that we see here. We came all the way back to confirm our market structure with a huge wick at the prior swing high. Keep in mind, it's the exact same thing we are doing right now. You see, this was the prior swing high, and then we rallied, and then we crashed all the way down, only to hold support on top like a Lego of the prior swing high, which is exactly what we're doing now, because after that, we went to a new swing high, and then we crashed down right to the structure of our prior swing high. That's what we're doing right now, right on schedule. What happens next is potentially a move above here. That's when things are going to get really spicy. And let me break it down simple and easy. If you're in the altcoin space and you're looking when to get in and out of altcoins, and you're wondering, when is this thing going to end? When are my altcoins going to explode? There's one thing and one thing only on the chart. Plain and simple, clear as day. And when altcoins do this, it's not going to be a small explosion. It's going to be massive. It's going to cover all the altcoin space, and everything's going to move quickly. And all of the money is going to go from Bitcoin into these coins, and it's going to be a domino effect. And these things move quick. The one thing and one thing only that the altcoin market needs to do is rally above this white line and hold support. And once it does, the roof is going to blow off this place. It's going to get crazy. So if you are looking to enter the market, you watch this line and this line only. Once altcoins close above 1.5 trillion as support, this thing's going to go boom to the upside. And if altcoins close below this level of 1.2 trillion, we're in trouble. Breaking new VIP bonus video. Solana is setting up for a massive move, and it's gonna shake up Bitcoin too. I'm revealing which one I'd buy right now and which one I'd sell. I just broke all of that down, but not on YouTube. Click below and instantly unlock this VIP bonus video for free. Go now, or it could be too late. CryptoCrewUniversity.com.